How are you doing? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're tackling how to disable fast startup or fast boot. They are the same thing. On your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, this feature speeds up your boot time by saving system info to a file, but it can sometimes cause issues with updates or devices. This is a straightforward tweak, so let's get started and get it sorted. First, open the search menu, find the magnifying glass on your taskbar, usually next to the Start button, and click it, type Control Panel into the search bar. When the Control Panel appears as the best match, click to open it. Once it's loaded, look at the top right corner. You will see View By. Switch that drop down to large icons to make things easier to find. Scroll down the list until you spot Power Options. Click to open it. On the next screen on the left side, you'll see Choose what the power buttons do. Click that. At the top of this new window, there's a link that says Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Scroll down to Shutdown Settings. If you see a checkbox labeled Turn on Fast Startup Recommended, that's what we're after. Uncheck it to disable Fast Startup. If that option is missing, don't worry, your system probably doesn't use or support it. Either way, once you've made your change or confirmed it's off, click Save Changes at the bottom to apply it. That's it, folks. With those quick steps, Fast Startup is disabled and your PC will boot the classic way. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Catch you in the next tutorial.